Good day, everyone. You are welcome to Born Tutor channel. We are still under theorems of triangle, and today I'll be talking about the last theorem we have for you under theorems of triangle. And the theorem says triangle on the same base or equal base and between two parallel lines have equal area. That is, if you have triangles in between two parallel lines and these triangles share the same base with each other, or their base are equal, they have the same area. Let's take this figure below for the example. We have many triangles in here and we can use that as our example. We have the big triangle ABC. We have triangle ABC. We have triangle DEF. We have triangle DCB. We have triangle DEB. And we have triangle BFC. Which other triangle do we have there? We have DEB. We've gotten that. We have DCB. Do we have DCE? We have DCE also there. Those are the triangles that we have. And we'll be checking the triangles that have equal area with each other based on the figures that we have, based on the shape that we have here. If you check triangle ABC, that is the biggest triangle we have here, which entails all other triangles in them. Also, don't forget we have triangle ADE. ADE is also a triangle, since I'm pointing out all the triangle inside there. But out of all these triangles, not all of them have equal area. Just some of them have equal area with each other, and I'll be pointing out the triangles that have equal area with each other so that you'll be able to identify the triangles that have equal areas. Now let's go. The triangle ADE is standing alone and it is on this line. You can notice that the line here is parallel to the line here. That is line BC. Please note here, line BC is parallel to line DE. Line BC is parallel to line DE. Therefore, DE is not in between any parallel line but on a parallel line. So it is out of it. Let's take that out of it. We are not considering it for any equal area with any other triangle. Let's continue. You will notice that triangle DFB, is it there? No, let me add it to it. We have triangle DFB. This triangle DFB here. You will notice it touches this parallel line here and touches this one at this place, having its point here. Is also similar to EFC because it also touches this point here and also this point here. And from this triangle, we know that this base and this base are equal to each other because this parallel line bisected this triangle at the same point, and also they have the same base here. Therefore, the base of this triangle here is equal to the base of the triangle here. We can say the area of triangle DFB will be equal to the area of triangle EFC. Do I have EFC? Let me add EFC here. EFC. Therefore, these two, we can say they have equal area. Let's go on. Let's find another one. We have triangle DEB. Do I have DEB? Yes, I have DEB here. I have DEB here. The DEB have this base and touches this point here and also have this line here. We can say it is equal to triangle DEC or DCE. Okay, I have DCE here. This triangle here is equal to the triangle here. So we can, sorry, the area rather. We can say the area of where is it? Of DEB is equal to the area of DCE. I'm talking about triangle, please. Triangle DCE. So the area of this triangle will be equal to the area of this triangle. Let me clean that out so we won't get it confused now. We have all this one out because we've pointed out that they are equal to each other. We've pointed out that they are equal to each other. Now let's continue. Which other triangle do we have here? Triangle DEF. DEF. Okay, we have triangle DEF here. Which other triangle share the same base with it? No, there are no other triangle that share the same base with it because it has this, this, and this. The base here is not being shared with anything, so the DEF has no equal area of triangle with any triangle here. And I have also pointed that ABC is the biggest triangle which has nothing to be equal to each other. Now let's check BFC. BFC. BFC also is not equal to any other triangle here because there are no other triangle that they share the same base with each other. I have triangle DCB. Thank you very much. I have triangle DCB. This triangle DCB here has this base and also this base. And if you check triangle EBC, or we can say BEC, anyhow you call it, triangle BEC or BC, let me say BCE. They all share this base together. Check. This is the triangle. They share the same base here and they share this line here. And this one also, the DCE, also share this line here and this base together. So you can say the area of triangle DCB is also equal to the area of triangle BCE, whereby this is also equals to BC, so that's BCE. Yeah, so this is equals to this. I think those are the triangles that we can point out from this shape, and you can see how I am trying to identify the triangles that have equal area. They all fall within these two parallel lines, and I ensure that they share the same base with each other. So when you see this type of things in a problem or in a question, you'll be able to apply the theorem with it. And I'll also be bringing an example whereby you need to apply this theorem in a solution. Stay tuned and keep watching.